G'day, just out here at the burnout pad, and just wanted to show you a little modification that I've done to my Pajero exhaust. So the Pajeros have that humongous can, big muffler that sits really low and becomes a problem once you lift it and everything. It's the lowest point of the car. So what I've done is cut the can out and just put this little sports muffler in. So yeah, that's where it normally sits, and yeah, it's a vast improvement. The other can, you can see sort of how level it sits now, or up, tucked up. Before, the can used to sit a good 8 inches sort of below the level of the car, which is the lowest point of the car. It's a bit of a stupid design, but anyway, yeah, just got this muffler welded in. It's a straight through muffler. Yeah, nothing too special. No, I don't even know what brand it is. But yeah, 2.5 inch. I'll just show you what it sounds like. So it's quite mild. It doesn't drone when you're doing, your common speed limits, and when you really put the boot down, it does open up, give it a lot more flow. Yeah, that's about it. Just thought I'd make this video if you've been thinking about either getting a bit more sound out of your petrol, or at least getting rid of that can. Then that's roughly what it sounds like.